Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is Who What Why 404, and today I'm coming to you with a quick video. I just left the factory outlet boutique. I went to return my Parker, and let me tell you a story about that real quick. I went to return the Parker that I purchased from the online sale, and when I got there, they told me once they rung up the return slip, because I didn't have a receipt, which Coach didn't pack, but they said that I can only return that bag via mailing, because otherwise they would have to give me a store credit, and I didn't want a store credit. I want my money back. So I'm hot with Coach about that, because now I have to spend money to ship the bag back to Coach, and I also paid for them to ship it to me. So I'm disappointed about that. But the good thing is, while I was there, I did find a bag, and this bag is actually currently on the online site, I believe, for $113, and it's something that I've been looking for, this style bag, but it is this, and this is the Coach Chelsea Animation belt bag. And I think this is so cute. I saw it online previously when they had the Coach online sale, and then Bag Hound did a video from her local Coach store, and they had this available, and I asked her a question or two about it. But I think this is so cute. I've been wanting a belt bag for the longest, and I actually considered buying the LV bag because it has an actual leather strap like this one does. And most of the other belt bags that they have available have a nylon strap or fabric strap with a buckle. And most of the buckles have like a metal base and then a little plastic clip that clips inside. And I didn't want that, because I can see eventually from unbuckling and buckling that plastic may break off, and then the bag is useless. So I think Gucci has that plastic, and I'm trying to think of some other brands that may have that plastic clip. I think some of the other LV belt bags on the men's line and some of the other versions other than the monogram canvas have that plastic buckle. So yeah, this is what I picked up, and I think this is so cute. It kind of reminds me of Chanel has a chain belt bag that's black and it has like gold chains. So with the little gold here, kind of, you know, a little bit puts me in the mindset of that bag. And I also purchased this charm too, and this is a flower charm with the same gold and silver type you know, little design in it as well. So the bag online I think is $113 if I'm not mistaken, 113, maybe a little over that. And this was part of the 70 plus 20, so it came up to be $89. And this was originally, I think, $68, and it came up to $15. So I think this goes really well with the bag. And this is the tag information if you guys don't have it in your local store, if you want to call and order it. That's for the bag, and this is for the charm if it comes in. Not sure, but yeah, I love this bag. I think it's so cute. I'll get a lot of use out of it. If you look at the strap, it has a little strap holder here, and it also has one down here, so the straps won't be flapping around. It also has 10 adjustable holes on it, and it has the Coach detailing on the bottom of the hooks, of the hardware. It has Coach on the tab, leather tab pull, and let me show you the interior. This is the interior. It's a fabric interior with one slip pocket. Does not have a zipper on the back. I don't mind that at all. I think the LV does have a zipper on the back, but I don't mind that at all. So this is the interior, and let me show you what it holds. I'm actually been wearing this bag all week. I told y'all I love this bag, and you can see it's stuffed. But let me take out some of my essentials, and I'll show you what fits. So one thing I have to have in my bag is my phone bank, and I have a mini pochette. See, that fits. Also, my Keep Clay fits, and my card case, my car key fob. I'm sorry, I was gonna say my car keys, but my key fob. Let me tuck that in so it won't be floating around in the bag. See, you can see that fits. And let me try my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S6. All right, so here's the test, and it fits. It's a little out of shape, but everything does fit. And it is a little heavy with all this stuff in there, but more than likely I'll be wearing this as a shoulder bag like this, or as a crossbody bag like this. And so I can adjust it to make it go down a little bit further if I want to. But yeah, this is how I will be wearing this bag. I think this is a great deal for $89, and this is a all leather belt bag. Like I said before, the Gucci has this little nylon strap, and some of the other LV bags besides the monogram bum bag have that little nylon strap, but this is all leather, like I said, except for the interior. It's well constructed. It's that pebbled leather, and the interior, like I said, it holds a lot. And this actually can be, it's like a wipeable interior. And yeah, look at all this. All this is leather, you can see. So I am impressed with the quality on it. It actually looks like the same leather that's on the Gucci bum bag. You look at the Gucci, it has that grain leather, and this looks very similar. This is a thick, nice leather. So yeah, a bum bag is, or a fanny pack belt bag, is something that I've been wanting to add to my collection for a while. Like I said, the LV was one of the ones I was contemplating getting, but yeah, for $1,500 in comparison to $89, I think this is a great deal. If a fanny pack, belt bag, bum bag is something that you want to add to your collection, I think this is a great option. You can see the bees and this gold threading. I mean, this is really, really cute. And you can see how that matches this charm. So yeah, like I said, this was $89. Let me see if I have the receipt, if I can tell you exactly. All right, so this was $89.51. That was with the 70 plus 20, and the charm was $15.59, and that was the 70 plus 20 off. So yeah, I think this is a great deal. Go ahead and grab it. If this is something that you want to add to your collection, I highly recommend it, just off my first impressions of it alone. So yeah, that's all I have today. And I did enough ranting for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And until the next time, see you guys later.